Hi, this is just a quick video to show you how to submit your essays. We're going to do it with the All About Me paragraph because that's the first writing assignment you guys have submitted to me. So I'm going to show you just how you go through that process. So it's on your plan. You click that link and you click More. And then when you see this, the bright blue is the link where you're going to submit. Okay. So you can write it on the assignment, or once you've read the directions, you can write it on your own file. And then what you'll do, once you're all done and you've saved your work, you'll click Upload. And I'm just going to pull an assignment here. So you click All About Me, open. And you can see here that you've submitted it, or that it's up there. And then you'll just click Submit. And you'll get that flag that says Submitted Successfully. So if you still have any questions, let me know.